Bike Regina's pop-up bike co-op. Bike Regina is a nonprofit cycling advocacy group whose mission is to make cycling fun and accessible for all ages and abilities. The project which earned the RC Award is Pop-Up Bike Co-op. This was a weekly program held in Victoria Park in Regina every Saturday in July and August in 2021. The project achieves the UN SDGs of making cities more sustainable, which I think is goal 11. A bike co-op is a place where cyclists can come and learn how to repair and maintain their bikes. Next slide. The bike co-op is equipped with repair stands and specialty tools, which is perfect for anyone who owns a bike but doesn't have a home workstation for fixing bikes. And let's face it, nobody has that at home. Slide 3. Bike co-op is even more perfect for people who don't know the first thing about fixing bikes. The best part of bike co-op is the educational aspect. One of the Bike Regina board members loves to say, "Don't berate, educate." The bike co-op always has friendly volunteers who will teach people how to use the tools and repair stands. People can bring their bikes and whatever problems they're having, and Bike Regina will do best they can to help. Sometimes the problem is as simple as needing a bit of air in the tires, sometimes a new part is required, like chains or cables. Bike Regina can help with that. Next slide. The pop-up bike co-op is planned for Victoria Park again this summer. Bike Regina's dream is to find a permanent home like Saskatoon's Bridge City Bike Co-op so that programming and hours of operation can be expanded. The pop-up bike co-op was made possible through a grant from the Government of Canada's Healthy Communities Initiative. Bike Regina is most grateful to HCI for this funding and is also grateful to the Saskatchewan Regional Centre of Expertise on Education for Sustainable Development for this award. So let's congratulate that project.